In the quest for a greener tomorrow, 3S Solar is proud to present the SP100M solar panel series, a perfect addition to the renewable energy market. Featuring 182mm cells, one of the largest sizes on the market, our module optimises power generation per surface area, effectively reducing the space required for installation and minimising overall system weight. With the integration of PERC technology, the addition of a passivation layer at the back of the solar cells helped with capturing scattered light, leading to increased efficiency. Their improved low light performance provides better energy output even under imperfect lighting conditions. IP67 rated junction box ensures the protection of electrical components against dust, water and other environmental factors. The anodised aluminium alloy frame provides exceptional durability, protecting the panels from harsh weather conditions, including strong winds and snow loads. Additionally, the frame's corrosion-resistant properties ensure a longer lifespan. Equipped with 3.2mm tempered glass with excellent transparency, allowing for optimal light transmission and maximum energy generation, panels are designed to withstand environmental stresses and resist mechanical impacts and other harmful effects. They come with a 10-year product warranty that demonstrates our confidence in the durability and performance of the product. 3S Solar is a successful and internationally recognised company that has significantly impacted the solar energy market. Recognised for their quality, our solar panels have become an essential component in both residential and commercial projects worldwide. Beyond our extensive range of solar panel models, we also have a diversified portfolio with additional solar-related products and services.